Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is open up Microsoft Word, the desktop application. And if you do likewise, you may well experience the same pop-up window that appears, which is encouraging you to sign in. So if you see this message, make sure you select the blue Sign In button and then enter your account credentials. Make sure that you enter your work email and then click on the Next button and then enter your password. Now that you're signed in, you can check your credentials by selecting the Account button in the bottom left-hand side. This will show your user information and your connected services to OneDrive. Should you wish to connect an additional service, select the Add Service drop-down, and if that was additional storage, just hover over the Storage menu and select the relevant storage item, for example, OneDrive Personal. Next, I'm going to select the New button, and then I'm going to click on the blank document. In terms of where Copilot appears in Word, if you look above the page, you can see a Describe what you'd like to draft with Copilot box. So if you select the box, you can see the cursor flashing inside. Now you can add a suitable prompt for Copilot. The other space it appears is in the top right-hand corner. You can see here in the toolbar, there's a link to Copilot. Just click on that one and it will open up the Copilot panel. Another place where Copilot will appear is inside your document. As you can see, there's some text here which I've used Copilot to create. And if we just highlight that, you can see that the pop-up box that appears here presents you with a Copilot button. And if you click on the Copilot button with the text selected, it will open up the following menu options. So you could choose to auto rewrite the text, update the text and keep the formatting, fix the spelling and grammar, look at structure and refine, make it shorter, make it more formal. There's also a link to writing suggestions. You can visualize this as a table. There's an option to chat with Copilot, and this will open up the Copilot panel on the right-hand side. Returning back to the Copilot menu, if you have a microphone, you can also start dictation by clicking on the microphone icon. And if you want to use Copilot to analyze a single sentence, click into the sentence and then click on the pencil icon. This pops up a smaller box where you can describe what you'd like to edit in that sentence. There are also options for structure and refine, insert a summary, and then again, chat with Copilot. Now I've switched to the online space. So if you'd like to do the same, head to m365.cloud.microsoft or www.office.com. And I'm going to head to the apps link here and then select the option to open up Word in my browser. This will open up Word in a separate browser tab. And the next thing I'm going to do is select Create Blank Document. Now, many of the features in terms of Copilot contrasting with the desktop application are the same. I just want to show you some other features as well where you can find Copilot. And if I head back to the document I created in the desktop application for Word, I'm going to select the text and copy it. So right mouse click and select copy or Control+C. Then I'm going to open up my blank document in the browser and I'm going to paste the content over into here. So you can do that by holding down Control and pressing V for the shortcut, or you can use the right mouse click and select paste. So I've successfully pasted the text, as you can see, in the document. And you'll also notice there's a control button here. If you click on that, it will open up some further options. And you can see here the Transform with Copilot section. You can choose to write a prompt, auto rewrite, visualize as a table, or select Get Coaching. And the other features are exactly the same otherwise. So if I select the cursor on a particular sentence, again, we can select the Draft with Copilot option. I can also drag across text and then select the Copilot button. You can see the same options appear here. You also have the Copilot panel, which you can open up by selecting the Copilot button.
What was your favorite part of this tutorial? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.